Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna talk with you about am and are forms of to be. Alright, let's start. Let's talk about am. How and when do we use am? When you talk about ourselves, when you're talking about I, you need to use am. For example, I am Tillo, or I am tall. I am from Uzbekistan. So I'm talking about myself, so I need to use am. I am. These were examples for positive sentences. And now let's look at the negative form. In order to make negative sentences, we need to add not. Like, I am not. For example, I am not Tom. I am not short. Or I am not from England. So we are making negative sentence by adding not. I am not. Then, how can you make questions? If you ask a question about yourself, then you need to change am and I. Like, am I, it should be. For example, am I tall? Am I late? Or am I a student? You can also use I am in a short form, like I am. Instead of saying I am Tillo, you may also say I'm Tillo. I'm Tillo, which is like I apostrophe and am. So I'm Tillo. In negative forms, we can just put not, and that's all. Like I am not Tillo, or I'm not Tillo, and that's all. Now let's talk about are. So how and when do we use are? We use are with you, we, they pronouns, like you are, we are, and they are. For example, you are Paul, or you are students. We are from Uzbekistan. When we need to make negative sentences, we put not. For example, you are not, we are not, and they are not. For example, you are not Peter, or you are not teachers. They are not doctors. And when we need to make questions with are, we put are before you, we, and they. Like, are you, or are we, are they? Are you Mark, or are you students? Are we Uzbek, or are they teachers? These are the types of sentences: positive, negative, and questions. Now let's talk about short forms. So instead of saying you are, you may say you're. Or instead of saying we are, you may use we're. Instead of saying they are, you may use their. Let's you apostrophe re, we apostrophe re, and also you apostrophe re. When you are making negative sentences, you may also use short forms. It can be you are not or you aren't. Or you may say we're not or we aren't. With they, you may say they're not or they aren't. Both cases are possible. For example, you are students. You may also say you are students or you're students. You aren't students. We're teachers. We are teachers. Or we're not teachers or we aren't teachers. They're not doctors or they aren't doctors. Now let's talk about short answers. When your partner or when your friend asks a question from you, like, are you a student? Your friend is asking from you, so you need to answer about yourself, which means, like, you may say, yes, I am, which means yes, comma, I am. It's a positive short answer. Then you may say, or you may also say, no, I'm not. So see, no, I'm not. When you are giving short negative answer, you may say, no, I'm not, like in a short form. But when you are answering positively, you need to say, yes, I am. Or let's say your friend is asking about himself, and you may say, yes, you are. So yes, you are. Or no, you aren't. No, you aren't. Or about we. Are you students? So your friend is asking from you. So in plural form, you may say, yes, we are, or no, we aren't. Or also about they. Are they pupils? Yes, they are, or no, they aren't. So when you are answering positively using short answers, in that case, you need to say words separately, which is like a one by one. Yes, I am. Yes, you are. Yes, we are. Yes, they are. Like this. But when you are answering negatively using the short answers, in that case, you need to say, no, I'm not. No, you aren't. No, they aren't. No, we aren't. So you may use short forms. For more information, please check out my Telegram channel, links in the description down below. And thank you very much. Our lesson is over. Have a nice day. Bye.